Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is nearly 5 to 6 on Sunday the 13th of March. And say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. It's 13.8, 64% humidity. I've not had my fans on, not yet anyway. I should put them on shortly. But today we're going to be using my Buster seed trays. And we're going to be potting on some violas, as you can see there. I'll take these out to show you. Just starting to get some roots there, see there? And just there, and then this one with the other one. Second tray, there's 5 in each line. So I'm going to be potting them on because I want to use these for some cuttings. I'm going to be using my biodegradable toilet roll tubes. You can buy these on eBay. People sell them, they collect them and sell them. They're about 4 or 5 pence each, but they save you a fortune. You start collecting them in this about Christmas time, and then all the way through I collect them and use them the following January, a year afterwards. So I should put these back, put these violas back in there, and I shall get the seeds out and show you which ones I'm going to be. Right, yeah, this is what we're going to be potting on today. Viola comedy mix, so February to October, flowers February to November. It's a hardy perennial. You can just see that there, folks. Hardy perennial. You can sow indoors February, March, and then September to October. Plant out February, March, June, July, and it flowers all year except for December. So, yep, I'm not using many of these. I've got probably 10 there. I've got 20 seedlings. So we shall get the camera sorted and then get that out of the way. We're then going to be potting them into here. Get that sorted. Back again. That's better. I've just moved my stand a little bit lower just so we can see what we're doing. Just want to give it a bit more water. Let that soak in a little bit. And then all we need to do with this pen is, I'll get the first tray out here. Right, if you've only got 1 or 2 in each one of these and you're not short of space, there's no reason why you can't leave these in. That's the whole point, until they're fully grown. But what I want to do with these, because you see here I've got like probably 4 or 5 in that one and a couple in some others, and this one here there's only 3 with just 1 in. So I want to split the rest up so I can get more plants in less space. So once you've got this like so, all we need to do then is just get your knife underneath, and if by magic this will come out in one lump, so put those on one side, and then as you can see here, just trying to get it so you can see properly. See the root system there, just gently divide, keeping as much fruit with each one as you can, and then just put those on top like so. I should get the other one out, the other one that's got a couple in. So yeah, just gently. There you go. What a perfect block that is. Really do keep a good shape. And this is the first time I've me actually taking these out of here, so I didn't know how much. And these have not been put in really tightly. Let's drop that. Right. As you can see, I have a really good root system on here. Don't want to keep dropping it like I'm doing. There you go, just get a little, look at that, that's a really nice root system on that. Get that root away. What we'll do then is move around here, take it round, spin that round, just move this out of the way. I need to do it with this one just a little bit of space. Whatever you do, not hold it by the stem, anything but the stem. Get a little bit of compost from the back, just a little bit of compost here, and all we need to do, this is what I like to do, just gently hold it by the leaf, not the stem. Just build it up round there. It takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, like so, and then by the leaf again, and then in here, just give it a good twist round, get the roots in there, a little bit of compost all the way around, just keep it centred and keep the roots covered. It's a peat-based compost. It's one of the best ones I've used. It's grown more, I think, Westlands. It's got 4 months worth of feed in, which is great for seedlings when they get to this size. It's not so good for sowing seeds in, because you don't really want much feed when you're sowing seeds. Get that one in there like so. You want like a neutral. That's why I like peat-based compost for sowing seeds, because it's basically not got much nitrogen and that in it. It's really a really good neutral medium for sowing seeds. So yeah, that's those 3. Let's get the rest done. Right, here we go. Just got the last ones to do. That is these here. So let's get that pushed further up there. Just, I think there's 4 in here, so you can see the roots there. Going nicely backwards, and then all you do, take them out, spin them around, just see the roots all the way around there. Really nice root system. And then really you want to give this a good wash and clean, but just temporarily I'll just put them back in here, so you are keeping the other seedlings safe. Same with this one. This one, you don't need to actually need to put this one back, but yeah, as you can see there, they are now ready, apart from giving them a wash, disinfectant, to get the mint out of the way, sparing it. What you can do now is fill them back up and sow some new seeds. That's a great thing about this way of doing things. What we're going to do with these now is just gently tease them apart. That's 1, that's 2, 3 and 4. That's brilliant. I've not lost 1 seed yet, which is great for me. I normally lose a couple when I'm doing this, so I'll just basically fetch that closer. So I've got 4 to do, so I'll start off here. It's a peat-based compost. Use your pen and gently in like so, and with a bit of spare compost, just tuck it in all the way around. Just do the other 3. Yeah, I've just touched that mint, and oh, it smells absolutely divine now in here. I cannot believe how beautiful that smells. Absolutely beautiful. Bit more there. Just round, give it energy. Just got 2 more to do. Yeah, these Viola, these pansies, I cannot wait till they start flowering. I mean, look at those on there. These are going to go in my baskets and pots this year. And they're a hardy perennial, so they should last, which will be great. I'm going to take some seeds from them, which I've not collected pansy seeds before, Viola seeds. I'm growing my own Violas from seed this year, which I'm looking forward to. I love learning something new with gardening. You cannot beat it. Yeah, that's that one done. Let's get that a bit more. So we'll see how these get on with this peat-free compost, shall we? Hopefully they'll do fine. So yeah, that's them done. Those done. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Which will be plenty for my little garden, that. If you want to do more, but I think less is more. I'm growing that many different flowers this year that I can only grow a handful of each one. Probably 20 is about the maximum I want to be growing or anything this year. Saying that, I've got probably 80 pansies, 80 petunias, sorry, which is my own fault. the seeds were that small. I thought, oh, there won't be that many. I only saw a quarter of them, and I'll be fine. And yet I'm still got back here, just after here, I've still got back here, all these, as you can see there. And then as we come round here, where do we look now? Right in here, there is 40 in here, as you can see. And then I've got 40 Rudbeckias as well, so 40 of each. Just put the lid back on and come back round. So yeah, that's how to pot on your Woodcourse Viola, probably mixed F2s. That's one pricked out to pot on. If you've got any questions to ask, folks, if you like videos, please subscribe. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. As always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.